I will open up this document which I created. Okay, and then I'll add one of you. Can I get one Gmail address? Any hands? Okay, what's your Gmail address? So what I'm doing now is actually sharing this document to my colleague Alice. So I'm going to let her be an editor because I'm the owner and I want her to be able to edit. And then I will share and save. So what it does now is actually make this document available to Alice and myself. Nobody else. If you copy the website address, it's called the URL. Let me just click on done. Okay, Alice, while I talk, you can go to docs.google.com or your Gmail. You will receive one email that will actually look something like this. Raifanah. Yes. So this is one example of my colleague actually shared a document with me. So you will receive this email in your Gmail. So if someone shared a document with you, you will receive an email and then you can click on it to open the document. So let's go back. Okay, so if you want to share someone the document, you can just click on share and then type the Gmail address that what I did. Did you receive the email I sent? Okay, can you click on the link? Okay, so everyone can see that there's suddenly this one little icon at the top right-hand corner. It's a little bit small. Let me just use a magnifier. At the top right-hand corner, you will actually see one other viewer and then a color box. And you'll see the name. Alice has opened this document. So you can actually see, that's why we need a Google account. But there are different settings to share so that another user who do not have a Google account can edit. But I won't show you, because this is just a demo. I'll just want to show you what it looks like. Okay, Alice, can you try to edit something? Maybe I will edit at the same time. I'll just add one more thing to take note of. Okay, you can see in my screen that I am editing and someone else is also editing, and you can see that it's pink. And if you put the cursor over it, you know that it's Alice. Can you continue typing? We'll see you'll see her name. So that's how you identify who accessed what. Right? Okay, so let me just share it to everyone since I have all your Gmail addresses, right? And then we can try it out before we start the hands-on session. So I'll share and get everyone to be an editor and save. So everyone go to your Gmail account and then you should receive an email. So now what I'm doing now is actually getting you to know what it feels like to look at another person's document. What we'll go through later, I'll give you a few minutes to actually play around with this. Like 2 to 3 minutes, we play around with this, and then we can move on to the hands-on session. Okay, if you're editing, you can actually take a glance at my screen. You can see a lot of people are editing this page now. You can play around with the bold, the formatting, and the different things. And then now there are 12 users. Okay, my colleagues around, Sally and Carolyn and Casey, is going around to actually help. If you have technical issues or cannot see anything, you just raise up your hands, and then we'll see how we can help you with this. So everybody is actually editing the document now, you can see. Yeah, and then if you are, those of you are editing, right? You can actually chat. If you clicked on the top right-hand corner where the names are, other viewers, you can actually chat with your colleagues who are editing the page. So the chat feature is actually something useful. The chat feature, if you click on the 24 other viewers, the one with the box at the top right-hand corner, under the share button, click on this and then you can chat. So if all of you are using OCS, Office Communicator, you can actually use this instead if you're editing a document with your colleague. Under the share button, there should be a box. So instead of using OCS, different software, you can just chat everything in one screen. No need to change screens. Wow, now my document is so colorful. So you want to try and see the revision history. It's actually under File, and then see revision history, and then you can see, you can revert. I won't go through this because this is just a tryout session. We'll do it I'll give you 1 more minute to have fun around, and then we'll start proper. You can just explore within this document.
I wonder who edited the document, right? Although I'm at the revision history.
Okay, you will know who edited the document in revision history. Why? Because everybody has to log in.
Yeah.
And then you can see the username. So for example, if I want to see the revision history, I'll just click on the file, see revision history, and then you all can see. You can just select different ones. And it's color-coded also. So red means it's the person who is, the username is Jega, and then orange is who is Lam Tai Tai, and the green one is me. So you can scroll down and see who edited what and who changed what. So that's how. Everybody having fun with Google Documents? So I'll give you 1 more minute to have fun, explore, and then we'll start the hands-on session. We will create our own personal document and share with the person next to you or somebody in this classroom. And then we see how it works. You can also share, if you want to create your own document for work, you can go ahead.